The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Why, here comes the church up front. This is Marco and Steve at the side. Steve at the side. This is it, boy!
Viewers and subscribers, this a real reckless driving. Real reckless driving. I'm gonna point it out and show you why me say this a real reckless driving. The fact that the three trucks them are trying to overtake or compete against each other on this stretch. And by doing so, the other cars them, if you look on the video, the other cars them will come towards the truck had to go over in the bushes just to escape, anything that is going to cost them life. The people them will drive the car have to go over in the bushes and give the truck them way. And remember this now, as a driver, you notice that sudden brake in a car is not easy because the car can skid. However, sudden braking for trucks not really work out like that. Trucks, especially loaded, mostly depending on the engine's compression. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? So, for you to be doing these kind of things with a truck, a big unit, you see me? It's very dangerous. You're putting so many people's lives at risk with loaded vehicles. Load. Tons. See? Tons. People who are drive at risk. People who are walk at risk. You see it? And you know what the thing them are gonna say? Oh, the road clear, man. The road is clear, so them see me a come so they can come out of the way. This are reckless driving. You understand me? Now, a man can overtake because the line, you have some lines that shows that you can overtake, but it's how you do things. You see me? It's how you do things. Right there, so is reckless driving. Alright, now this video is out on social media, and yes, they dubbed it, or should I say, yes, they mark it as reckless driving. I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers, who are going. But anyways, I don't know, I have to keep you up to date and post it. Let me know what you think about something like this. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?